To the action, so you talk up your mouth to you. Oh, you talk up your mouth to you. No, brother. No, yo, what? No, you make Kevin you, my you. Don't laugh at me, no, you. Don't, hey, boy, you have to get it then, you. Hey, boy, don't move, you know. Don't move, you know, you. Don't move, you know, you. Where are the youth? Move in front of who? Where are the youth? One, two. God, I don't want to talk, him want to talk because him. Don't touch my friend, don't touch my friend.
Brother, the bomb box, what?
You can't make me, you, It's such a lovely day, isn't it, guys? You see the post notification and you guys click here. I really appreciate it. You get me? I say, and we did a prank today, you know, and people might say it's, you know, very, I don't know what to say, but just check into this video. You get me? I say, you're seeing Kimani's face, but you're not seeing or hearing his real voice. Because a pang attack. Duh. Oh, what's the prank today? What do you think about it?
Yo, we just come deal with it, you know. Bad people, you know. I use the name iHeart, man, and be things, you know. Don't par with him, you see it. See that youth, you don't par with him. You see me, I see laughing. A fake friend.
I'm going to explain. Yeah. Today, we go for boy today. Me and Islander, we go for.
So, we put it short, I tell a lie on bag of people, and them come bad them up. That's the whole prank. If you're new to the channel, or if you just watch the videos and not subscribing, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Comment what you think, comment which prank you want next.
Show some love, no? Just show some love. You get me? I say, we're out here, we're doing our thing.
How much likes you want on the video?
How much likes? Give 5,000 likes. Give 5,000 likes.
5,000 likes.
5,000 likes. Yeah. Me now this another time, so we know what kind of party we talking about, you know, Mr.
The people that
Mr.
party, we have to give them party.
Watch your ads. You're deaf.
No! Sorry, sir. Do you know where the Scotia Bank is? I'm not from around here.
I'm down King Street.
I would know. You'd have to like point for me. What is the name, sir?
Charlie.
Charlie, I'm Kimani. I'm not from around here.
You're not from Kingston?
No.
Where you from?
Them call it St. Elizabeth.
Bruh.
It's my family and I'm from abroad, but I'm looking for somebody.
And them are calling out?
What's the name again?
Charlie.
Okay. Hello. Who this? It's a man about a girl. Brother, call your girlfriend and stop calling my phone, brother. Please and thank you. I'm in the park downtown, sir. So can you please go away? Me and my friend Charlie is here. Go away, sir.
Wait, what?
Alright, I'm gonna hang up now. Goodbye. He's a countryman. Where yourself?
Straight there. I'm going straight down at the bottom on your right hand. The further you go down, you just inquire.
And that is the blue bank?
No, it's a red bank. The blue bank is a NCB. The red bank is a blue.
Them did say Scotia because I can't remember the name.
A few inches later.
Brother, you know, say me that well, you know, you look boy, come here, sir. You want him up here, brother, where you go, him say you want him, brother, Charlie, what you talk about, Charlie? You know, you know, for your par with them boy, Charlie, this move for this, you know, Charlie. You know, them man do Charlie, what you mean you know him? The man just say you want the man a par, Charlie, what you talk about, Charlie? Which King Street you talk about, Charlie? Charlie, which big man, so you par them boy, the fuck?
Just there, so I sit down.
What you talk about? You don't know nothing. The man say you want him apart. Charlie, I don't know nothing. Charlie.
Alright, that's cool. I don't know nothing, man.
What you mean you don't know? Charlie, calm down, Charlie. Cause you don't know me, Charlie.
That's cool.
What you apart the man for Charlie?
I don't know the man.
What you mean you don't know, man?
Oh,
I know your name.
Him say my name. I'm say Charlie.
So why you give him out your name?
Him say I go down King Street. So I don't know my direct him to. I don't know nothing about my youth.
Charlie, I chain you know in a Charlie.
Alright, now just make it easy that way, that man. Everything good. Everything good.
Charlie, I train and know.
Alright, everything good, man. Everything
Wait, you know him gone?
You know him
I
gone?
don't know him, my youth. I don't know him. But just come and say, come sit down.
The boy there violate him, violate man.
Just come and come sit down, my youth.
Charlie,
I don't know him. I don't know
Charlie,
him.
I joke at
Charlie, I joke with me, Charlie. I
Yeah,
joke.
but that them scare me, star.
Oh, sorry about that. Is that like a joke?
God no.
I told you where the place around now.
Oh, John, no.
it's a-
Sorry,
it's a
a
social
prank, you see. Social experiment.
Is it?
Yeah, it's all a joke.
About this.
Well, you know, try to give people a look at
scare, but you know,
Yeah, man,
it
you
all
could
come
have
around.
You could have faint a while ago.
Let me show you something.
Yeah,
By law,
yeah.
No, thank you.
Hmm?
Come on, I want some of your shoes.
My shoes are Crocs, it's my boss.
No, you know, must mean we have one general chum, man. So put the shoes here, you want to go somewhere, but you look the belt fit.
Show me some and match my pants.
The pants, huh?
Yeah.
Which pants?
That one, a bad belt. I want a belt for tie up on my girl.
No, man, about that tire.
Hold on, may I get a phone call? Yo! What? Who this? Oh, one girl, boyfriend. Brother, watch out. Yo, where you get my number? Hear me say. Call your girl. Watch out. Brother, you're not bad man. Just go on your ways. Half a tree me. Brother, I'm there half a tree, brother. With my bad man friend, the belt man. I want to tell you what. You know, I want to some a countryman. Yo, come on from my phone, brother. I'm gonna call your girlfriend. The man ever, I fuck the girl one time general. Yeah, bad belt.
Yeah, I like the man a cross. Yeah, man, grey and black, man. Yeah.
How much should I belt?
$1 feet. $1 no.
One $100.
No, you don't know what's $1.
What's that? Me not come from boy. You know.
One eternity later.
$1,000, man.
Man, it's what you do youth? I may bad man friend.
Yo,
Man, it's what you do? Yo, me don't want you to say nothing, you know. I don't want you to say nothing, you know.
Yeah, bro,
Me don't want you to say nothing, you know. Which bell? Leg off for me,
Oh, yeah,
you
no. Mine, yeah,
Man, no. Hey, boy, man, him say a bad man friend, you know.
I can't know what I'm doing,
I can't know what him doing, you pick up
Don't
man.
point for me,
What
don't
you
point
mean? So
the
what you
finger,
gonna do?
talk, but
What you
don't
gonna do?
point.
Him say you're a bad man. Bad man,
Point
bad
for
friend.
me, celebrate.
Are you a defend the man? That the man I say. That the man I say.
Yeah,
That the man I say. So what you say? What you say?
When do? Me I say the man I say, when
Hey,
do?
hey, man, what you doing?
Be careful of yourself.
Man, hey, man, you
Oh,
doing
let me
general?
tell
That
you.
me I tell you. Yes, the boy, a dirty boy, no. A dirty boy. A rank.
Oh, yeah, fam.
Why did you mic like that?
There you this.
Yeah.
I me that bad belt. 50 penny.
Oh, I am. Suppose me the papa me knife and suppose mosaic the man no. When him a go stand and say prank, and my papa me knife and go so. And you dead now. You that say boy blood clot belt to kill you. See there you this.
Yo, General. You know where New Kingston is? Yeah. I'm not from around here, isn't it?
are you the prank?
Please, no! No!
You're the prank.
No! No!
Sorry. Sir. You know where New Kingston? Yeah. What's the name? I'm not from around here. I'm not from around here, so I don't know, like... Come on, what's the name? Come on. Alright. So, New Kingston, yeah. Wait, hold on, let me get a phone call. Yo, watch out. Man, I'm arguing. Yo, brother, just loan me, no, brother. Yeah, countryman, just. Yo, I'm me and my virgin there, yo. Just lower me out. Me and my brethren. When name Kemar? My brethren Kemar. Wanna check me? I country him come from still. Anyway, him a take me.
Yeah, we'll go down there, sir. You see, the taxi them will go past the road.
Yeah, them now have other transportation. Come in and like take the regular taxi. No?
Shut up. Yo, General.
We get the charter.
A few moments later.
Cause a new king, sir.
Brother, where you talk about, brother? Who name Kevin? Are you name Kevin youth? Where you talk about you name Yo, brother, yo youth. Yo, come here, so you feel like a chat. Which direction you? So how you talk up your mouth to you? How you talk up your mouth to you? No, brother, no him. Yo, what? No, you name Kevin youth, my you. Don't laugh at me, no you. Don't, hey boy, you have to get it then youth. Hey boy, don't move, you know. Don't move, you know youth. Don't move, you know youth. Where you the youth? Move in front of who? Where are the youth? Where you talk about? You and your friend there that's come give man chat. What do you want to say? Yo, brother, what you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Come ask me the direction.
Brother. Do what you have to do. Do what you have to do. Do what you have to do.
Brother, the bomb buckler, what going on?
You can't make me you. Awa.
It's a prank. See my phone.
I joke.
Take out him gun.
No, no, do my do. Yo, don't. But a serious time in that.
No, a serious time.
Yeah.
Yo, General. You know where New Kingston is? What is it?
Up, sir. We up, sir.
The thing is, I don't take the. What's your name? I'm not from around here, no.
Oh, Johnny.
Huh?
Johnny.
Johnny?
Yeah.
Alright. Wait, hold on, may I get a call? I'm not from around here. Hello? Yo, watch out now. You always call me for bad me up. Yo, watch out now. Just go on by your ways. Stop calling my phone. Call your girl. Stop calling my phone. Is it? I have to treat me there right now. Anything you want, I have to treat me there right now. You chat too much. Watch out. Tell your girl to stop linking me and stop calling my phone, please. Please. Yo, watch out. I have to treat me there. I have to treat right at the Burger King.
You smart. You very smart.
Eh? Yo, Pang, the man a walk off, dog. Yo, Johnny, where you gone? Excuse me, sirs. Not from around here. Wondering if you know where the Scotia Bank is.
Yeah, Nova Scotia Bank you want.
That's what they call it, the red one.
You have Scotia, you have Nova
Sorry,
Scotia.
what's your name, sir? What's your name? Derek.
Yeah.
I'm Kimani. I'm not from around here, so I don't.
Oh.
Wait, hold on, somebody. Give me a second. Hello? Yo, what's your name? Yo, for the last time, stop calling my phone. Call your girlfriend. Me and I not dealing, call your girlfriend. Anyway, me there? Brother, what's your name? What's this place? What's here?
He was Girl 6. St. and Grandpa. Yeah.
You hear that? Yeah, of course. Yeah, what's your name, sir? Yeah, me and my friend Derek there. Brother. It's a countryman this, you know. He don't know what they are.
You don't want nobody hurt you. Go straight to the park and go straight down.
Where, that way?
No, straight, southern direction. See the church? When you see a church here, you go straight down.
The clock is the church?
That is the church. Go straight on your right hand. And we are
So cross the road.
No, you're going to cross this road, but keep on the right hand. Go straight down. And while you go straight down, you go past the first intersection, go right.
And nobody now go try rob me, because I hear that down here is a bad place.
Police up on the road, man.
Okay.
And the second right turn, you go say the Supreme Court.
I don't know where that is.
You soon find it.
Eventually.
Brother, yo, what are you, yo, are you on my part? Are you on my part? What you talking about?
Derek.
Brother man. You and Derek are part of my time. This is second up. This is second up. Are you on my part, youth? Are you on my part, youth?
No, man. No, man. What can I do with that?
You know what I'm
Derek?
Yo, Derek, I change and
Yo,
do
no,
that.
I'm not in there. Sure. I'm not in there.
You
the man there talking. Come on. A big man, we are the man here.
Derek.
Don't beat again, man.
Look at
Don't beat again,
look,
man.
man.
Don't beat again, man.
You know why, though?
Derek. Derek.
Listen to me,
Listen
man.
to talk, man.
Yo, calm yourself, man. Calm yourself. Calm yourself in the youth. What you say?
You mark with the Nova Bank there. This man can't tell you.
Nova Bank?
Yeah, Nova Scotia Bank. This man can't tell you. Now do it again, man.
Police in the school.
Dog. You, this is you.
Derek.
Ah, you see Derek. Respect, you see Derek.
Yes, man.
Oh, man, everything good?
Hey, boy, Derek.
General, I joke, man. It's a prank, you know?
Go down, Nova.
No, I don't need this question. A prank.
Make a
Hello?
Yo, brother, dog. Brother, you know what I link in your face, dog? Oh, yeah, brother, oh, you move like your butt, dog.
What you say? You lick me in my face?
Brother, anyway, you're there right
You
now.
feel this, what you think you do?
Brother, anyway, you're there right now. I'm going to compare you right now. I'm going to say that chatting man tip on that. I'm going to charge you right there saying, brother. I'm going to tell you a thing, you know. I'm going to tell you a thing, you know, dog. Somebody said
Oh.
see you in a dog.
Yo, yeah, man, say, what you know?
See you in a dog.
General, I chew, yo,
Brother, somebody said them see you.
I chew, I take one of them girl, let me see it.
Anyway, you're there, dog.
Where is it? Anyway, me there. Yo, what you know? No country you come from, that's where the girl give you bun. A country man, you know. Yo, a Kingston, me there, you know. Me there half a tree, Tropical Plaza, in front of Tropical Plaza. We are going to take 3 bus and forward. And me have a bad man belt friend there, so youth. What you know about? General, I know I'm to them youth, you know, them little youth. You know where boy they take out my number out of the girl phone. I don't know him from Adams, you know. I don't even know him look, you know.
So not do that.
I know him, my boss.
2 hours later.
See the difference? One bigger.
Dog, my, what do you do? You never know something that what you youth. What do you youth? Me licking your face in the dog. What do you youth? But they want to face your chattings, dog. Dog, I'm not laughing. Oh, are you on my part? Who this there? Which businessman? Elder, you just calm down yourself here. You just calm down yourself in the car. You and the boy apart, you know. I don't know what I'm doing, you know. Elder.
So when me
Elder, the man say, are you and him apart, Elder? Are you family? Are you family?
Me not know him.
What do you mean you don't know him? What do you mean you don't know him, Elder?
Me not know.
Elder, what do you mean you don't know him, Elder? Elder, calm down. Calm down, Elder. Calm down.
Nobody either. Yo. You think you know? Man. I hear some of the business, you know.
Make sure you know, Elder.
I want you.
Brother, Elder.
Yo, General, I prank you.
You cannot power.
I joke, I'm boss. I prank
No,
you.
you want.
I joke, Elder.
No, which part? The New Kingston? Yeah, I'm not from around here.
New Kingston?
Yeah.
Far from New Kingston, man.
I'm there far from New Kingston?
Yeah, man.
But the person left me down here.
And so on.
Them say it's... Hold on, I get a phone call. Them say it's down here, so it's there. Hello? Yo. Yeah, I know. That brother always call me and harass me about a girl. Call your girlfriend, brother, and stop calling my phone. Call your girlfriend, stop calling my phone. You don't even know me. Which part you sending? Me dey on King Street, Countryman. Countryman. A country boy. Yeah, but a country him live and one time I fought the girl. Where you say now? Alright, so there's one place in a New Kingston where them call, I don't remember the name of the place. I'm meeting somebody. It's a place where you go meet up people. But it's New Kingston. New Kingston is not down here, so?
It's a restaurant.
Yeah.
Starbucks.
20 minutes later.
Yeah.
Brother, you know, are you name Countryman, brother? What can I tell her? Are you name Countryman? You know, pay part of the money, you know. Countryman, are you on my part, Countryman? Countryman, are you on my part? Countryman, are you on my part, Countryman? Countryman, let me know if you on my part.
Yeah, you know you must allow him, brother.
Are you on my part, Countryman?
Yeah, man.
Why you pay part of the money? Countryman, and the two one of you fuck up right now in a Countryman. I swear to God in a Countryman. I swear to you, there's some angry and the man that disrespect man in a Countryman.
Go easy.
Countryman, he's no Countryman. He's no God, I don't want to talk, him want to talk because him. Don't touch my friend. Don't touch my friend. That me I say. You. Where me, man?
I'm the girl.
Countryman, man say you and him are part of Countryman. I don't me I tell you Countryman. Look it up, yo, you. Countryman.
Just know him.
Me just say man you are part of them man a Countryman. Countryman, you all have touch no Countryman. Man not even like that Countryman. I straight to your Countryman, man. Yeah, you. I joke.
I don't somebody defend me.
I don't
somebody defend
you. You don't know who's corner you're the
Orange Street, not from around here. A map? Hold on. Let me see if I'm the right place. So I'm not really come. This is I can't remember the name them, is it? King Street. Hold on, may I get a call? Hold on. Probably have some. Hello? Oh, me I move. Yo, wait name. What? I can't hear you. This me for? Take. Why you talk about him, girl? Yo. I'm there on King Street, brother. What you can do? Country boy. I'm my friend Anif there. Idiot, man. Brother. Them country boy. Alright. Orange. Wait, nobody now go try to rob me or nothing like that. Because me say downtown is like a unsafe place. And then ask them what?
Yeah, I'm going to go on Orange Street.
I can't take a different way. Because the man who give me direction is
brother, oh, you know, you never would have find brother, who you, where you come from, Are you on my par? Are you on my par, you? So you talk about on my par. Where name? Annie, where you move, sir?
I tell him to Orange Street there.
Brother, where you par them money for you?
No, walk past
where, brother, where you walk, brother, you? You see you, dog, my youth. Which workplace you talk about, youth? Which workplace you talk about? Are you on the dog or par, now that the man saying?
I walk past.
Walk away. Where you par them youth for you? Where you par them youth for you? Where you par them youth for? And the two want to forget it in the dog. I'm not laughing, bro, God. I'm not laughing at youth. I swear in a youth. I tell you, I look at youth in a dog. Where you say now? Where you say now, youth? Where you say now? Anif what? What you talk about Anif? Where you talk about Anif?
Yo, I'm Frankie.
I show you, Mick. I joke, Mick G.
YouTube. Alright, when you go look up iHeart, man, you gotta dip on there. You see it. Pick up yourself. Make sure you do your homework and thing. And study. There's no reason for this, you know. There's no reason. Come jape up you. Come jape up you. Come jape up you. Why not do me? Why not jape up me? Man. Sorry, miss. Miss, you think my shirt crush up? Who you ugly like?
Well, you don't know you have to strategize everything.
What?
You have to strategize everything.
Strategize.
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 You know, like when you put things in table in order.
Put things like food?
No, I watch out. You have to cut grass and everything. It's not that, no. You have to cut.
Yo, more interview. Let me see if are you smarter than a 5th grader?
Yeah.
Are you smarter than a 5th grader? 'Cause it's gonna be a test later.
Which planet is Earth from the sun?
Which planet is Earth?
From the sun.
From the sun. So watch out now, the Earth, the planet itself is the Earth, you know. So if the Earth is from the sun,
Pang.
yeah,
Pang.
yeah,
Which planet
Yeah.
is Earth? So Mercury is the first planet. Which one has Mercury, then second, then third, then fourth, then fifth, and sixth? Which one of them are the sun? 5th, 3rd, 4th, which one?
So I'm the sun.
Yeah, from the sun, not at the sun.
The moon. The moon and the sun, Earth. The moon. You say which planet are the Earth from the sun? And then the moon. God, the sun.
You're right.
No, no, he's not smart than a 5th grader, brother. What?
Next question.
Hey.
Which gas in the atmosphere is the most common? You have oxygen, you have carbon dioxide, nitrogen. Which one of them is the most common?
Breeze. Breeze. Right now, I feel breeze. Breeze are the most common in the atmosphere right now. Breeze. Breeze. Come on, that's right. Yeah. As a come on. Breeze.
Right, man. Right. Next question. Spell pediatrician. I'm gonna get an easy one.
No, I deal with it.
You deal with it? Pediatrician.
Yeah, I break it up in syllables. Pediatrician. P-E-D. Via. T-H-E-R. Pediatrician now. T-R-I-C-A-N. Pediatrician.
You miss out one letter, man. You miss out the Q.
What about Q then? I'm a girl. I'm a girl.
By the way?
I'm a girl. Yeah, man, you don't know what chap say. Can't spell it. I just one letter.
Bye, have a great time.